Hello brilliant people. Hello everybody. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. We're back at it again and we're doing it on a weird day, and I have actually the interest rates running in front of me, which I want to take a look at real quick because dude, they pushed up so high. Like we're trading in a such a premium right now. So we're looking to have a very interesting session because of that. Because next up, I'm looking at dollar index right away because NFP is hitting the market in 4 minutes, so we're gonna have some fun with that. Bounce away from this order block and run away from it quite with immediate intention, you know. So it's gonna be an interesting day because I'm still expecting lower prices here in dollar, but NFP is NFP, right? The whole day we've been moving lower. Liquidity is resting up here, so we're gonna have to see whether that allows us to push the market any lower, with the intention of the dollar pushing it a little bit higher from where it's trading right now or not. So we're gonna see. But on the other hand, NQ, NES, they're just going. They're just running. We printed one of the largest candles yesterday ever. I scrolled for 17 years back to find anything larger than this. This is the largest candle in 17 years, man. I couldn't find anything larger than this. 1,000 points, like holy. So yeah, NFP launching in 3 minutes from now. Hello everybody. Hope you guys are having a beautiful Friday. We're back at it again. We're gonna log in to do some evaluation accounts here because we got burned yesterday. Yesterday wasn't too good. Not because the markets weren't good for me, but because I just struggled with the copy trading engine and everything. So nothing too crazy, nothing too good. So yeah. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, back at it 2 minutes from now. So expectations, I literally have none. Looking at the hourly, I would love us to come back into the range. That would be cool. 15 minutes consolidation purely. What I'm watching right away is this double top. NQ double top up here. So I'm gonna watch the market release into it and possibly crash right after. That would be cool, right? Do you have anything similar to this on ES? We actually don't. So we're gonna watch this. Buy some liquidity resting above. Sell stops resting down below. We still have a higher time frame liquidity down below also. We're gonna be watching that carefully and closely. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. So I'm expecting a push here, upwards. Maybe baby, in a way, but at the same time, I'm quite certain of that. In a way, okay, not certain of that. I'm certain that both sides of the liquidity are gonna get taken today. That's what I'm certain of. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be watching together with you guys. Yeah. So I'm logging into my trade await, and I'm not kidding. I'm placing a buy order right away. Seems random, feels random, but we'll see. We're gonna see. I'm expecting a push to the upside. Can we get that? Maybe, baby. We'll see. Both sides of the market killed in a way. SMT at the lows also. Interesting. I would have expected a push to the upside. So look at this. And hello everybody joining in. Hope you guys are good. Look at the dollar. Dollar is just booming lower. Euro pushing higher, double top taken. Like, I love that. This is amazing. I love to see that. GU, love to see that. What the fuck is this? Excuse my French in a way, but the hell is this? I would have expected higher prices because dollar pushed lower. Fine by me. Fine by me. What we're noting now is these data highs and the higher time free sell side being taken. So that's what I'm gonna be watching towards the rest of the day, which is gonna be fun. We're just gonna have to find a inversion, and that's pretty much it. So data highs, data high, both sides of the market, right? Both sides of the chart, not the market. Holy sorry. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna play with. Pam. So, just like you see, NFP is a day where nothing too shabby happens in the market. In terms of, it's fun to see this run in liquidity, to see this excitement. Oh my god, so many handles in just 1 minute. But it's literally not tradable. You're literally not able to participate in this because the market just doesn't allow you to do so. A little bit sad, but at the same time it's quite reasonable because the market has to run liquidity from time to time without us, right? Pick up a lot of orders so we can run to the other side afterwards with or without us. Doesn't matter in a way. It doesn't. But the market has to find manipulation points like this here and there, just so it can stay liquid. Because it doesn't need us to participate in every move, you know? It hurts the market itself if a random guy like me, like you, is able to participate in every single move like this, you know? So the market liquidates. The market takes everybody away from their orders. Example is this week, and now it's just going towards where it has to go because higher time frame analysis is exactly on point. We're looking for lower prices throughout this whole week, and that's exactly what we're getting right now. I'm just noting the new day opening gap. All right, so if you'll excuse me, I will do just that. And I'll find it on Nasdaq also. Bum. Here we go. So let's go back to 15 minutes. I can put it on on my chart fully, and we're gonna come back to 1 minute chart immediately. So I said in Discord today that thank God it's Friday setup. It's probably not gonna be valid for it. Seeing this now, would be more than happy. I would be more than happy, to be fair, to work with a TGIF. To see the market retrace back into the range a little bit. I would be happy with that. Let me get a drink though, okay? And I'm shifting my focus to the right hand side non-stop because I have more charts here running. So far, YMU, let's check here. Is it crash? It is crash. Dollar is crashing also. Like Bitcoin? Interest rates? Holy macaroni. So the market literally is not listening now. Towards its, like it's not listening what the superior has to say. Superior being dollar index itself, right? It's gonna be an interesting session. Let's say it out loud already. It is gonna be an interesting session. I'm logging into my copy trading now because I will want to see those data highs taken at some point today. So whenever I see a possibility towards that, the drawn liquidity, I'm gonna participate in it. So this inverting would be awesome. I'm just turning on my machines. We're gonna have to log in here though, won't we? Let me get my password. Again. There we go. Cool. We're in. And I'm just watching the GBP/USD and it crashing lower, which is just awesome to watch. Like nicely. It went into a breaker block. Let me show you. Right here, 15 minutes. We have a high, we have a low, we have a higher high, lower low. Breakup structure. This down close candle is a breaker block on 15 minutes chart on GU. This is beautiful. Breaker. Object 3. Where is my up? There we go. This is great. This is so good. But we're here to play with index futures, so let's go. One by one now. Don't mind these sell side liquidity pulls from lower time frames. I'm gonna fix it so we don't see it later on. This crash to the downside, total reasonable. We have first leg of distribution. Yesterday was second leg of distribution. So far, so good. We have a daily fair value gap holding in the price, allowing it to run lower, which is what? Which is great. Which is great. Price is moving lower. Volume balance is holding off. Just cool. 4-hour chart. Yesterday we didn't find any support. I'm watching the exact same chart. Holy, my bad. Let me do it again. Daily. NQ. Here we go. Inversion, volume imbalance holding in the price, 4 hours. ES is trading a lot lower than NQ. You have to put it in your notes. That has to go into your notes. Yesterday as well, we failed to take buy stops. Resting above here on NQ, and we just dove lower, right? Keep that in mind. This, I have no fucking idea what this is, so get rid of that. And I would love to see Nasdaq play catch up now a little bit. Take out sell side at least. That would be nice. And once that is done, I want to see retracement. Back into the range. Back towards these double tops resting above. Yeah. All we have to do now is... So, literally, guys, now, if you're looking to short this, like, you're mental. I'm sorry that I'm saying it out loud, but if you're looking to short this, like, no. That's not how it works. Trading in a discount, it's Friday, we're looking for the market to come back into the range. Can it crash? Continuously crash without us? Easy. Yes. Easily. But that's not our interest. There's no logical interest in that. Yeah? So we're sitting here expecting the market to retrace and possibly take out the data highs. Right? We go above here on ES. I'm happy. I'm gonna take actually a long out here if we go above here. Okay. And let's go into my evals. 100. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go long if we break above it. This is gonna be a massive stop loss though, so fuck me in a way, but it is what it is. Interesting level on NAS, 4 hours and daily. What interesting do you see out there? Daily. We're just looking to attack this. We're just looking for the market to go lower. Because we're in the market maker sell model right now, right? Daily. Inverted. Push to the downside. This is second level of distribution. Right? Sell side resting below. Daily fair value gap right after. That's what we're targeting. 18211.5. That's where we want the market to draw towards. Are we gonna do it today? Right now? Think we won't. I want sell side to be taken. I do. 18486 to be taken. I would love to see that. Diving even lower. Not too certain. But Fridays, when we have a week like we do right now, we want to see a little bit of retracement. I'll try to get my hopes up, expecting one. No? But a lot of interesting things happened yesterday. We booked one of the biggest daily candles in 20 years on Nasdaq. Bonds went below 3.92, right? That's never been seen before in a way. Not in the last 2-3 years, right? And bonds itself, interest rates are trading at pretty much all-time highs also. A lot of interesting things happened yesterday in the market. Today we're just here to grab the final orders in a way, final liquidity. We're here to meet the final boss in a way. Yeah. Go here, 15, 5, 4, 3, 2. I'd love, so the market opens at 9:30 only, right? We have ways to go. Like, oh my, in a way. I'd love to see some structure being built into this now, so we can have something we can work with later on, you know? That would be just amazing. That would be just cool. So, yeah. So let's start noting what we see in this consolidation. Bam, run on liquidity, easy. This is daily still. 18,486. I would still love to see the market drawing lower. But at the same time, I'm just putting down notes in terms of what I see, what I'm watching. So, I have an imbalance here, pushing the market higher now, right? I don't like how we're creating higher lows here. Like they're not gonna hold. But if they do, they do. We don't mind. And no buys here because we didn't invert it, did we? We did not. Precision. Huh? What I'm noting though is this order block, holding in the price, pushing it higher. See, I'm starting to read the structure here. Order block, not tagged, but you can consider the 50% range of it. You could, like right here. But at the same time, not real. So we're gonna see, we're gonna place this order down here, which is gonna be a massive trade, but it is what it is. I can't allow myself just to enter from here, even though this is the real trade. Like this 849, that's what we're actually trying to catch, but it's just way too big of a stop loss for me. Even though on the, what's the name, on the eval, I still like can't consider it. No, Dominikas, when I'm in position, you see one. So this is my main live account. So if I open a position, you see that right away. So as you see, no positions open. I just have a buy limit now. Simple enough in a way, you know? So and we're not gonna get tagged possibly. We're not gonna get tagged, are we? I don't think so. No, this retracement lower wouldn't won't seem even necessary. No, because this is the real trade. That's the trade, right? Inversion, right here. Data highs up there. That's the trade. That order block in terms of breaker block on GU we mentioned. Take a look at so double top taken daily, not holding, which is a little bit weird, but okay. Right here, breaker block on 15 minutes. I'd love it to remain open. If we don't, we don't. Then buy stops are resting here above here. We targeted it yesterday, actually. $15 minutes candle closing in a bit, so that's gonna be interesting. And now this, I'm not too certain if I want to participate in this no more. We haven't gotten back to the 50% level, so we're good there, right? Not flout, but 50%. Right? What do we have here on NQ? 50%? Not taken neither. So we're in the lower quadrant of that imbalance. Still. I have all my accounts lined up to start getting into this. So what I'm watching now, again, just reading the market. I'm not gonna trade on a live account. I'm only gonna trade on eval today because it's an NFP Friday. I'm not interested in taking any live trade. This is what the market is bouncing off, right? Random. This is cool. We're getting to that 50% level now. And I'm taking my buy limit off because of that. I'm not gonna be interested in this no more. GU just took data highs now, and it's still pushing deeper into that breaker block, which is not what I would be expecting. Okay? Not what I would be hoping for. We've seen this yesterday on GU. We've seen a fair value gap being annihilated in a way with a wick, like what we have right now. And then the market crashing lower. Start taking buy side. This is interesting. Like, I hate dealing with it, but this is interesting. But I'm literally 5434.75. That's my interest. 18761.5. That's my interest. I don't need anything else. Those are the only two levels I'm watching. Those are the only intentions that. Yeah. Especially if GU is kind of breaking that breaker block now. Let me show you. 15 minutes. GU. Oh, not yet. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We're still in there. We're still hanging out. In a place where we're supposed to be, right? Should be happy with it, right? Try me. Man, 15 minutes for value gap is opening up now. So what I'm noting right away is exactly that. 15 minutes opening. We're gonna see how we react now. That's the only thing that I'm interested in terms of price action. Nothing less, nothing more. Very shorter block. Yeah. So, hello there. Hello, good morning. Hope you're good, man. Hope you are doing alright. We have a 5 minutes imbalance here that I'm gonna have to note in something, yeah, something like that, because otherwise it's just gonna become a little bit too cluttered for us, right? So we're gonna see if we start running away from it immediately or not. If that is an immediate bounce away from it, that makes me interested. Why? Because 5 minutes, 8:35 is an order block on NQ, right? So what I want to see now is for the market to start running away from this. If we're bound to go any higher than where we are at right now, and again, I'm not in a trade. I'm not in one. So I'm just watching this, supervising this, trying to understand what the market wants to do. And when I understand what it wants to do fully, then you're gonna see me rock and roll. Right? This is just too much, because this is more than, like, This is 1,000 in terms of risk. 500 to make the I'm not excited for this. What I would be excited for is this volume imbalance breaking. Yeah, keep on going. This letting it through as well. That's what I would be excited about. Inversion, possibly right here. 30 seconds to wait to see if we're gonna get one or not. That I can work with. Otherwise, no. You see, we're not getting that yet. This is that 5 minutes for value gap we're working with, yeah. That has to remain on our notes. This is higher time frame sell side. That's the same 5 minutes imbalance. 9 o'clock is here, right? And let's check the GBP USD. This is dollar. Euro. Buy stops taken. Previous week high taken. Okay. And this is GBP USD, so that is becoming a little bit more interesting. Can we work with any of this? I can't. I think we're not gonna trade forex today. Like, it's not worth it. I had way too good of a day yesterday trading forex now to kind of get rid of it in a way to hurt myself with it, you know? So I'm just gonna stay away from it. So this is a 5 minutes imbalance, right? Let me put it in right then. Market going below it, I don't mind because we have still 2 minutes before it closes, right? Let's get rid of this for a little bit. But can it go lower from here? Easy. Not saying no to this. Can easily go lower from here. What I want to see for bullish prices to continuously pump the market higher is for the market to come back to this 5 minutes imbalance in the next 60 seconds, pretty much. Better. A lot better. If it fails, it fails. We're going lower than immediately, like a lot lower compared to where we are at right now. And then when the market opens up 9:30, that's when we're gonna open up the positions ourselves to look to take those data highs immediately. Then we're gonna have some fun. So far, I'm not touching this so far. Just yet. Not yet. 10 more seconds. We're staying in that range, which is cool. See, maybe if we invert this, I'm taking this. Nope. No inversion. Here, no inversion neither. So let's check 5 minutes. Are we still trading in that imbalance? We are. Surprise, surprise. We're pushing higher now. Which is cool. I'll just do this, this, and the current interval and above, right? Cleaner. And what kind of sell side? That's good. I like this. We're gonna take an order now. Eval. Keyword. Eval. Not a real account. Don't you dare push a button on a real account. Don't you dare. Eval only. Okay? And we're in. Stop loss down below. 2 contracts, which is good. We'll see. If this fails on us, it fails. I don't really mind because this is an eval account. Targeting buy side liquidity resting above the data highs. Inversion, I love working with them. 5 minutes imbalance holding in the price. If it does, beautiful. If it doesn't, I don't really care. Fine by me. If it does, I have 2 accounts passed, basically. This went into another account as well. And this is a trade away Apex trading funding, whatever the name is, 50k eval account. And if I get it, we have an account that is passed. Just 1 shot, 1 kill. I'm actually gonna open my order on Top Step as well. I'm literally opening up Top Step right now. Come on, Top Step, come on. Log in. R Trader Pro logging in. Thank you. Ninja Trader. Log in. Logging in. Thank you. What's my password? Huh? I have no clue and no freaking idea what's my password. Let's try this. I'm gonna be way too late to enter the trade though. But it's fine. So we're not gonna do it. Skip. Abort. We're just gonna stick to this. And we're gonna add to this. To guarantee the account is getting passed. Here we go. We're adding right here. Those 3. Let me show you the executions. Here we go. Executions are right here, which is good. And we got the ball rolling. If this fails, it fails. Like, I literally don't care, guys. This is $35. Looks like $450, right? $35. That's how much the account costs. That's it. I really don't care. If I'm right, if I'm wrong. 5 minutes looking good. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. We're all good here. And I'm just gonna, I'm just thinking now, where should I be taking off the trade itself if I don't like it too much no more? I'll just put it here down below for now. If we go towards the stop loss itself, I'm risking to burn the account. Two of them. I bought quite a few today on Trade of 8, so not on trade, on Apex. On Apex. So I'm risking just what, 35 point times 2, $70. Literally. Oh. But $70 of risk. And if we're taking those data highs, I have two 50k funded accounts from just from this one trade. Quick math, you know? And I'm being dead serious, dead honest, guys. When I say it out loud, that it doesn't matter what happens with this trade. It literally doesn't matter. So, what do you take out of this? You should be taking the idea of that. You shouldn't be touching this. Because I literally push the button that I don't care about. I don't care about the outcome itself. See my model? I'm pushing the button. I'm waiting for it to pan out. If it doesn't, it's just another statistic for me. Another data point to put in. That's it. I'm in the same trade. I think it should go higher, but 5-min higher high needs to be... Yeah, I hear you, man. Watch this, Arnes. Watch this, Arnes. So, if this would be a P8, if this would be a real account, right here, 540, 6.25, I'm taking half of it. Right here, because it can easily turn around right here. And for good habit's sake, I'm gonna do exactly that. So I'm gonna take half of it right here. I'm gonna be an honest man with you guys. Taking half of it here. Okay? Let's play it nice. It can easily make a turn here. Thus, me taking away a little bit of this position. Not being foolish, not being silly with it. Because, why I'm saying that? Because if I'm right, if we get to those data highs, have that account passed, I need 3k. I'm 1,000 up already out of that 3k. Easy peasy. Yes, profiting is very important in conditions like that. Incredibly well said, Arnes. Incredibly. It just realize the fact this is an eval account. This is not a real account. This is eval. I'm not gonna touch my real account today. No, thank you. Only eval. Okay? And I have a third of the account done. 2 of them. I copied the order. 2 accounts. I'm but trading only 2 micro. Okay. Okay. That's good. So take half of it off. Take 50% of it off. Because why? Because if we trust higher time frame, this is offering a short now here, right? This imbalance is a bearish imbalance. It is supposed, keyword supposed, to allow the market to go lower here. If it fails, then it fails, right? And I'm putting my stop loss at break even. Not interested in risking anymore, right? I have half of the account done, which is incredible. Yeah, taking some off, sure. Good job, man. Well done. Well fucking done, man. Hope you're good in your sausage land. Hope you're good in your sausage land, man. Hope you're good. Hope you're doing well. Bye. 50% level broken, which is cool. I have some research which I can read to the officer. Oh, that's good, man. That's good. This is an awesome trade, though. You see how? Okay, so we're releasing a newsletter today, which is going to be all about patience, all about building good habits, all about trading professionally in terms of allowing statistics to do the work instead of emotions, fun, and excitement to run your account, right? This was exactly that. Look how many opportunities there were. We had an order block, we had an optimal trade entry, we had an inversion, we had a 5-minute entry. I skipped 4 fucking entries, man. So I would enter a trade and I know what it will do. I will know that it will pin out. I will know that the secret magic called algorithm is gonna do the work there. Cool, ain't it? Right? Cool. So, yeah. Just allowing the markets to do the work and we're just pushing the button when it's needed. Like, I love this. Like, this part of the trading, I love this, man. We call what is gonna happen, we execute on it, and we're just... You don't need much more, man. You don't. You really don't. And I'm just now thinking whether I just take half of the account that is kind of done and just go next. 2 half accounts done. I don't know. I really don't. I think I'm just gonna... So this is me being me. I hate not closing a trade at an equity high. Sounds weird. But I love being constantly at equity highs, right? And I would just hate to not close a trade at an equity high and allow it to retrace anywhere from where we are at right now. Like, I just hate stuff like that. Equity highs. Like, you know when you have an account, right, and you run it up, you go from 50k to 51k, 52k. Right now the account is 51,700, right? 51,762 is the equity high now, right? This retracing to 51,500, for example, is not going to be an equity high. And exactly that, man. Exactly that. We're going to come closer to the equity threshold, right? So I'm just like, but this is me being me in a way. I know for a fact we're gonna get there. I know it. That's my biggest issue around trading, man. And yes, I'm moving my stop loss right now. I just did it. Yeah. No fun trading with me, but that's how I do it. I guess that's why I'm able to continuously be profitable as well. Whatever drawdowns I go into, like, I always get out of them, so yeah. But I'm always working with equity highs. I hate when the market puts me in a position where, let's say, my equity high is 53,500 and I go to 53,200 because the market just retraced a little bit. I hate that. I can't stand it, man. I always want that perfection, you know? So yeah. And then we're working with Apex, Top Step, whatever thresholds, which are just fucking annoying, so yeah. So far it's so good. Like, this is an amazing trade, man. I'm not saying putting a stop loss here is the right move. This is the right move for me. Very big difference, okay? Who's gonna guess another reason why I'm putting my stop loss here? Pause it if you want to. But markets are opening in 8 minutes from now. I don't want to be in a trade when the market opens up. Market opening is a 50-50 event, just like with NFP. That move, that initial 60 seconds when the NFP hit the market, that move was random. 50-50, always. Market opening in 7.5 minutes from now is going to be a random event. I don't want to be caught in randomness. I want to be sure, right? So that's why I'm placing my stop loss where it is right now. But I have 2 accounts run up 60% of the way towards being funded. So, fine by me. So, in my opinion now, if the market decides to go lower, to take out 18,486, this is not getting filled. Mark my words. This SIBI will remain open. Sell side inefficiency, buy side imbalance, right? And I'm out of the trade. This will not remain open if the market wants to continue lower. 15 minutes U to 22 to 2, right? That's the trade though. Bow. Sorry, this. Like, this is incredible. Lovely stuff. But if the market wants to go lower, I think this is the top. This is the top for the, how to call it, short term itself, right? So we'll see. We're gonna allow the market to open up without us. Key here, without us. I'm not interested in participating in it. I'm not. Okay? Hello, Tiger. Hello there. How's the coast, man? How's the coast doing? How's the island people doing? Not island, but you know what I mean. You guys live a different lifestyle out there, which is cool. But yeah, you're living a different life out there, man. Very warm to me. Yesterday was massive waves. Was great. That's cool, man. I'm coming to. So I'm actually going on a holiday on 12th of August. I'm going on a holiday, which first of all I'm gonna come to the coast. We're gonna spend some more time on the coastline, which is gonna be great. Then we're actually going to Austria to travel a little bit, to look around the beer, the chocolate country, huh? The what? No, no watches in Austria. Why am I kidding? But we're going to Austria for a holiday. So yeah. I think we're gonna stream a little bit, but when I'm away in Austria, we're just gonna stay offline possibly. I think for like 3 to 4 days at least. Maybe a trade here and there, but I'm not gonna be focused enough to do this in front of you guys, so. Yep. And I think, guys, this is gonna be it for me. We're gonna allow the market to open up, which is cool. We're gonna allow the market to open up without us. Key. Huh? And I'm literally gonna go on Discord right now, so if you wanna see me there, let me know. And with that in mind, I'm gonna see you. Bye. I'm gonna see you next week. I'm gonna say farewell. And I'm gonna say enjoy the upcoming weekend, guys. Bye.